Okay, so let's just start. Okay. So basically, for example, this is your data. Okay, you know the bar diagrams. Okay, but there are basic rules to draw the bar diagram. Okay, that we will check. Okay. So for example, this is the data. Okay, over here. See, this is when you are going to make a graph in a good way, like this. If you are making it like this, for example, this is the thing. You are making it like this, and you are leaving the gap. This is known as bar diagram. Okay, but in case you are making it like this, right, there is no gap in between, right? So that is known as your histogram. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just start. I'll just teach you one. I'll just explain you one, and then you will do on your own. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's just start. So basically, for example, this. Yesterday we did the question number second, right? This was your graph. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Up now you have to draw the graph for this. Okay. So basically over here you have the bar diagram with you, like the bar graphs. No. Yes. No.
What, ma'am?
You have bar graph with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically, for example, this is your bar graph. So over here, the shopkeepers you will represent here on x-axis. Okay. And the numbers you will represent here on y-axis. Clear? This is how you will draw.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next thing is that this is you draw. Okay. Now over here you can see this is like WMBG. These are the shoppers, and this is the number. So over here the main important thing is these numbers. So you can see it is 5, then 15, then 12. Minimum is 5 and maximum is 28. So what you can do, you can take the gap for 10, 10, right? Okay. Or you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
take the gap of 5, 5. Okay, 5, then 10, then 15, like this. Okay, so let's just take it like 5. So what are you going to do? You have one block over here in your bar graph, right? So that over that you can do it like this, like 5, or you can just take it 10. You have 10 lines here, right? Small
Yes,
lines,
ma'am.
right? 10, then 20, then 30. Okay, like this. You can take maximum like 40 till here. Okay, now for W it is 28. So here this one you will leave one, and then you will, it's 28. So 20 will lie here, and you will count 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will lie here. So you will draw it like this, 28, and here you will write W. Okay, then for M, okay, you will leave one block again. Okay, then it's 15. So 15 will lie here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 here, something, right? So you will make it 15, right? Then it is B, 5. So it's B. So it will lie here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, right? Then G, it's 12. So it will lie 10, 11, 12, something here, right? So it is G. Like this you will draw. Clear? You can see over here, right? They have even taken 10,
Yes, ma'am.
30, 40, 50, and you are done with all this, right? Now what you have to do, you have to write here, what is this? Category of shopkeepers. Okay, and what is this? This is number of shopkeepers. Clear? And now this one you will write. See, over here on x-axis there is no scale, right? Only for y-axis you have the scale. So you will write scale on y-axis. Now ma'am, what is the scale? Very, very important. That means this is 1 centimeter. Okay, so your 1 centimeter is representing 10 units, right? But for example, if you are taking it like this 5, right? So at that time what you will write, 1 centimeter equals to 5 units, right? But for example, you are taking 20 over here, you are starting from 20, right? So at that time you will write 1 centimeter equals to 20 units. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you'll quickly draw it. You have the space, right?
Ma'am, so I have to do this, or can you give me a new sum switch?
You have left the space now over there. The question number second.
Ma'am, but that was not in my graph book.
Okay. So you have left. You can draw it even in your notebook if you want to, for just freehand. Okay.
Okay,
Over there,
ma'am.
just draw it freehand. And you have the notebook now. Over there, these are the lines, right? So consider it
Yeah.
as one single unit. Okay, because you have the space over there now, so it will not look good. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so draw it over there, and after that I'll give you questions.
Ma'am, I have a question though.
Yes,
Ma'am, so all the pie charts and all, I have to do that in the graph book only?
you can, because in is this chapter done in your school?
Yes, sunset. So I don't want it to. I don't because I only have one graph book, so I don't want it to be
Okay,
overlapped.
okay, then draw it in your notebook. Not an issue. Okay, like this. You can
Okay.
consider the this as one unit. Okay, like
Okay,
one
ma'am.
centimeter, and you can draw it over there. But when I will take your test over there, you will use the graph. Okay,
Okay.
because I'll check.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now for this also you will draw. Okay, wait. Hmm. Yeah. Now I'm just explaining you the other one. Okay. Now what is this other one? Over here you can see like this. This one. Okay. It's from 800 to 810. Okay. Then 810 to 820. So over here, now this one is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Right. So over here, how you will draw? This will be your graph. Right. You will start from 800 itself. Okay. So how they have started? See. Over here. See, one more line is there. This one. Right. Now what is this line? This is break the line. What is, why ma'am break line? See, over here usually what we do, for example, it start from 0 to 10, right, and 10 to 20 like this, but over here starting from 800, right? So there is an unequal gap. See, 800, 810, 820, the gap is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, right? But between 0 and 800 the gap is 800, right? So it's
Yes.
uneven, right? So whenever the gap between 0 and the first term and the respective term is different, right? So at that time, what you do, you draw it like this, a little bracket line, and then you will start 800, then 810, 820, 830. So 800 and 810. So how we will draw? We will draw it like this. You will break it, then 800, 810, 820, right? 830 like this. So 800 to 810 it is 3. So 3, right? It's 2. So you will start from here itself. It's 2, so it will lie here, right? Then 820 to 830, it's 1, so it will lie here like this. Okay. But now you have to think over here how you are going to make it, right? So over here, what is your minimum value? It's 1. And what is the highest value? It's, I think, 9. So what you will
13.
do? Yeah. No. It's the total.
Oh,
It's 9. So over here, you are not going to take like 10. No, you're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Or you can take the gap of 2, 2, 2. That will be easy for you. 2, so that the half one will be, which you can represent 1, right? So 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. You can draw it like this, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, 10. Like this. So quickly draw it. You have the portion with you. This question number 4,
yes, yes, ma'am.
right? So quickly draw it. Histogram. This is known as histogram. Why? Because it is not, you don't have gap in between. It's like this only. So it is histogram.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now you will be doing the number of hours for which students of a particular class watch television during the holiday is shown through a given graph. Question number 5, right? So you have to answer them. Quickly write down the answers and let me know.
Ma'am, in textbook, right? Or after
Yeah,
in the
textbook,
room?
textbook. You can write it. You have your textbook, right?
Yes, ma'am.
There only.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
ma'am, can you just share me the answers?
Okay.
I have a doubt in the last one though.
Hmm.
Yeah, 14. Yeah, correct.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am, all the answers are correct.
Okay. Now let's just start with the pie diagram today. Okay. So bar diagram and you are aware, right? Wait.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
number of students you have done. We have not done question number 4. We have no.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. You that was the I was doing that only right now.
Yeah. You drew the histogram. Yes. And the answers. Question number
Ma'am,
4th answer.
which group has the maximum number of workers? Ma'am, it goes to ma'am, it is 840 to 860.
Okay. 8.
Ma'am,
Wait. Maximum. Okay. You drew it in a
oh
different way,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. Wait, I did it the other way, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
10.
So
Ma'am, this should be same.
yes.
And wait, then so less than 850, right?
Hmm.
And so, ma'am, is the answer 10? Yes,
Yes.
sir, distant. Ma'am, then less than more than 850. Ma'am, is the answer 20?
Yes. Okay. So now let's just start with the pie diagram. Okay. So ma'am, what is pie diagram? So pie diagram, for this you need a compass and a D protector.
Yes.
Okay, compass and D. These are the and the scale, obviously. But if you have D, you can use it, the protector. Okay. So now over here, like what is pie diagram first of all? So of course you are representing any data through the diagram, that is your pie chart. Okay, through a circular graph. That is, pie diagram is also known as circular graph. Okay, bar diagram, you are drawing bar. Histogram, you are making graph, but they don't have space in between. But circle graph is known as pie diagram. Okay, so over here, there are few steps. Okay, which you need to do. So first of all, remember that your pie diagram is always in degree. Okay, so how you going to go? Wait a minute. I'll just share my other screen.
Ma'am, so histogram in which there is no space between them, right?
Yes. And
Between
they are
the
continuous.
okay.
Only because they are continuous. We don't
Like ma'am, what do you mean by continuous too? Like that.
continuous like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like this.
Yeah.
Right? Uh, I just wanted to show you that particular. Wait a minute. Huh? Okay, so I don't know where it went. Okay, so let's just understand from here itself. Okay, I just wanted to show you the simple diagram actually, but though we don't have. Okay, so for example, this is your data. Okay, that ordinary bread is 620, 80, 160, like this. Okay, so remember one thing. Whenever you are going to draw the pie diagram, what you need? You need the values in degree. Okay, you don't need value in percentage. You don't need anything. You need value in degrees. Okay, so for example, over here you have some simple numbers. Yes. So first step is you will convert these number into percentage. Okay, and then this percentage into degree. Clear? So ma'am, how do we convert the values into percentage? So see, for example, it is 320.
Ma'am, it's
Right?
not percentage, but in the solution, I mean, in the example, it's only given fraction.
Fraction is basically the percentage itself.
Oh, okay.
Right? Okay. So now how you are going to convert it? See, over here they have just written it as a fraction, but you can
Yeah,
just
I
convert it.
understood.
Yeah.
So like 320 upon 720, then you
Multiply by 100.
then you simplify it. You get 4 by 9, then 4 by 9 multiplied by 360, you get
Wait,
160.
wait, wait. They have just used the shortcut one, but we will use the different method. You can use this one as well. We have two methods. See, either you can use the fraction method. Okay, or you can use the percentage method. Okay, so let me just tell
Oh
you
yeah.
the
So like
difference.
you
Okay,
so you multiplied by 100.
yes. So what you are going to do, it's 320 divided by 720, you got fraction. That fraction you will multiply by 360 so that you get the degree. Okay,
Ma'am, one second, I'll check
yes.
which is fast.
Okay, let me just tell you the other one, then you can decide which one you want to follow. Okay, so
Okay,
again,
ma'am.
next one is 320 divided by 720 multiplied by 100. Okay, you will solve them like 0 and 0, like you got 3200 divided by 72. You will solve them. Whatever answer you are getting, you can multiply it
By
with 3.6.
360.
3.6.
3.6?
Yeah.
Ma'am, then 100% the fraction one is better.
Okay, the fraction one you want to go, you can go for it. Okay, so you'll just simply do it and you will get the answer. You got the degree. Okay, so for this you will solve it, and once you got the degree, Swar, this is very important. Okay, how you will draw it? First of all, you will draw a circle and the center.
We have to use a protractor, right?
Yes. So over here, first of all, just draw one simple line like this. Okay. Now what you will do, for example, this is your protector. Okay, like this. So you will use this line. You will put this line over here, right? And like the other you are getting. But for first one, what you need to do, for example, this is the thing, right? So you will draw it accordingly. Like for example, if it is 60, you will keep your your protector here, and you will mark 60. You will get 60 somewhere here, right? So you will join it, right? Now you will put your protector on this line like this. Okay, over here, right? And your
Ma'am,
protector
protractor
will
is
be like,
slanting. So like this.
yeah, like this side. Your head will be this side and your base will be this side.
Okay.
Okay, and
Here,
similarly, for
I've been,
example,
ma'am, I've
yeah,
done this chapter in my previous school, and all this confusion was on this only, from where to
no, no,
keep the
no,
protractor.
you are going to see, you are going to move like this now. So your head will be like this now. Whenever you, the position or the direction where you move, only there is your head, right? So similarly with the D also,
Okay,
right?
ma'am.
So say you are moving in this direction, so your D will be here. Then for example, you drew this line, so again you will put it here. Then you this line, then you will put it here. Then this line, you will put it here like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Now I
and
got
the
it.
last one you can skip. Okay. So what you can do, either you can follow the same criteria like 160, then 60, then 80 like this, or you can even draw it from like first of all, leave the largest one. No need to draw 160, right? Leave it. Okay, and then 60, 80 like this. You will continue. Okay, so you will draw the, you will do this example too.
Okay. Ma'am, you already showed the solution, so it doesn't mean to do this sum again. So
Okay, so you
can
want
you
to
give
do
me
the
some other?
fresh one?
Yes.
Okay, so let me just give you the
Or just
fresh.
or just give me or just give the exercise ones.
Yeah, okay, okay. Let's just start with the exercise. Okay, so it's first 5.2. Okay, you have the pie diagram with you and you have to answer few questions. So do that first.
Okay, ma'am. Then a survey was made to find type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Ma'am, can I share the answers? Ma'am, it's 20.
Yes. The second one. Wait.
Ma'am,
You got 20, and then what you have to do?
oh yeah, sorry. Wait, I did the calculation correct, but I said the answer wrong. I did 20 upon x multiplied by 100, therefore x is equal to 20 multiplied by 100. So
It's
200.
200. Yes.
Yeah.
Then next.
So, a group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons daily. Oh wait, I only did the first question, right? Sorry.
Okay, okay, do it.
Uh, and so the second one, light, and
Sorry.
the third,
Hmm.
light,
Okay.
light. Ma'am, the
Third
third
one.
one is, ma'am, for the third one is for light, 40 upon 100 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 400.
Hmm.
Then for folk, it is 30 upon 100 multiplied by 1000, which is 300. And
Hmm.
for classical, it is 10 upon 100 multiplied by 1000, which is 100. And for semi-classical, it is 20 upon 100 multiplied by, 20 upon 100 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 100.
Okay, good. So see, next a group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season. Okay, clear? So first of all, which season is most weighted? Just tell it. And draw the
Which,
central anchor of
ma'am,
each
winter.
sector. And then draw a pie diagram to show this information. Okay? Central angle, you know?
Central angle? I
Hmm.
mean, like,
It's
oh yeah, okay,
nothing, it's the
understood. Yeah,
degree.
yeah, 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 understood.
Yes. Okay?
Draw a pie chart to show this sound. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll do this in my notebook. Ma'am, can you just show it once? The pie chart? Ah, yes, ma'am, I got it correct.
Okay. After that, you have to label it like this. Okay. Or you can, what you can do, instead of labeling it, you can draw the diagram like this. Winter, this one. You can draw this. Over here, you can draw this and this. Okay. Here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This one. Third one.
Yes, sir. Now I cleared my confusion.
Yes. Total is already given over here.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's very easy.
Yes, ma'am. It is very easy.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It is very easy.
Yes.
Yes, I labeled it also. Can you just show the
Okay.
pie chart once?
You got the correct one, 180, 90,